Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you about the Tinkercad platform. As we know, Arduino is a hardware and it requires the physical hardware if you want to perform some experiment. But what if you don't have the physical hardware and you want to learn Arduino programming? Then the answer is you have Tinkercad platform. The Tinkercad platform is a software simulation tool which is available online through which you can do various experiments online. Simply type tinkercad.com on the address bar of your browser. You will be directed to a website that is called as tinkercad.com. Here you can see many things available. First of all, you need to do the sign up, and you can, as a student, you can sign up, or elsewhere you can create your personal account. So use any of the feature and then sign in with Google. You can simply sign in into your account by using your Google IDs. I have already created my ID into this particular. After the sign up, you will be directed to the page where you are getting different options. I had my account as a teacher, so I'm getting different options. As a student, you will get different options. Here in this particular account, you can see different options will be available. This Tinkercad, whenever you will click here, you will be directed to the home page. This is the home page. Now under this Tinker, you will find multiple options like 3D designs, circuits, CodeBlocks, SimLab, iPad app, Autodesk Fusion 360-degree. Now this is the place from where we can and perform the experiment. Next is the gallery, then project. This is interesting. When you will click on the project, there might be different projects developed by different community people. Those projects are available here. Under the project, you can go and find different things. Like if you want to go into the circuits, then people might have created different projects based on the Arduino. You can see here tic-tac-toe game on Arduino for beginners someone had created. So these type of the projects are available, and these projects you can learn from here, and you can do the experiment, or you can make your own project. This community is also very big community wherein people are coming and giving their projects, uploading their projects into the system. You also can do the same. Then the classroom option is available. If your teacher has created the classroom, then there you can join, and whatever assignments or whatever questions, queries will be given by your teacher, that will come here at this particular place. And then the last one is resources, wherein you can get into the Tinkercad block, the learning center, the lesson plan, and other features are available. Here my concern is to talk about the circuit. So simply click on the circuit, and then once you will click on the circuit, you will be directed to the Tinkercad circuit page. And then here you need to click on start tinkering or join class. If your teacher might have given you the class code, then you can simply click on the join class. It will ask you the class code, enter the class code. You will be admitted into that particular class by the approval of your teacher. Otherwise, start tinkering, you can click, and this is going to provide you one platform wherein you can do different projects. This is basically a desktop for the circuit creation. Here go to the designs, and then the option will come create. It will ask you your designs, create circuits, etc. Already I have account into this particular website, so that's why it is showing different circuits to me. And you can simply click on create. When you click on create, it will ask you want to create a 3D design or circuit or the code blocks. We want to create a circuit, so click on the circuit. Then a new window will appear on your screen, and that window is going to give you some details. Now I will explain you few parts of this particular. Again, here when you will click, it will take you to Tinkercad dashboard. This is the name of the particular project. If you want, you can click here and simply change my first project. Then this is the workspace wherein you have to do all your experiments. You have to create your circuit. This is the place. This is the code in which you will get As of now, nothing, because I have not created any particular circuit. Then this is start simulation, and this is send to. If you want to share with the people and apps, then you can simply send it to people or the apps. This is the component section wherein multiple options will come when you click on drop down, and that includes basics, all, Arduino, micro, circuit assemblies, etc. etc. You can keep it on basic or you can keep it on all. This is the component directory from where you will get different type of the components. You can see here resistor, LEDs, push button, and many components are there. The components which are not visible here, if you want to find all the components, sensor, actuators, etc. are available here. If you want to find some components, simply you can type, like I am typing Arduino. So Arduino Uno R3 will come. When I'm clicking here, the component is given, that is Arduino Uno R3, or elsewhere the circuits which are available into this platform, already built circuits are available into this platform, are also appearing. And if you click on some of them, it will simply take you to that particular, along with the program you will get the entire code, or elsewhere you can simply click here, and then when you click and drop at your workspace, you can get this. Now if you want to rotate this, click here, you can rotate. If you want to place somewhere else, click, put your mouse over that component and then rotate it. If you want to undo, you can click here and undo. If you want to delete, from here you can delete. If you want to create a copy of the component, you can simply create a copy of the component. And this is the for wire color. If you want, whatever wiring you are using, if you want to change the wire color, from here you can change the wire color. The wire type you can change from here. These are the things available at this particular part. At the next section you will get code. The code, now it will appear. It is providing you the facility of doing the coding using three different mechanisms. The first one is called as the block coding, the second one is called as the block plus text coding, and the third one is called as the text coding. The block coding is the easiest method of learning the Arduino codes, and at the same time block plus text, you, when you put the block on your workplace, then automatically the text for that particular block will appear. Or the third one is only the text. If you know how to do the Arduino programming, then you can simply type your code at the third option. Under this, you may find output, control, input, math, notation, and variables. When you click on each icon, you will get different options. We'll talk about these options later on when we'll do the experiment. And this is the workspace for the coding. So let me delete all these things and let me show you. Suppose you want to write a code for blinking an LED. That will be our first program soon that we are going to do. So simply you can put this, you can select forever. You want to blink it forever, so select that forever, keep it here, drag it here on the program workspace, and then whatever output you want, select a something, keep it there like this. In this way you can write the program using the blocks. The logic you need to understand, and then accordingly, if I'll click on block plus text, then the text for this, whatever I have written, I have blocks I have included over here. For all those things, the code will come over here. Once your program is ready, then you need to click on start simulation. When you click on start simulation, the circuit will get enabled and your Arduino will start working as per the code. So now at this moment, we have not created any particular circuit. That's why the Arduino is not going to give you the output. This is all about the look and feel of this particular platform. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.